So here we are right now. It's early morning, it's not early morning. It's early morning for me. And today, yeah, so first off, before we go anywhere, I'm gonna be washing the Camaro off because it's disgusting. The front looks pretty good, but all this is nasty, like, ugh. The door's open, guys, the door, no! Here, I've got my stuff. I'm just gonna fill these up with water and the soap and bring this all back out. But yeah, so it's very simple. You know how to wash a car. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash this. I'm gonna grab the hose, rinse it off, wash it, and then we should be taking the Mini Cooper out. So probably set the camera up right here for a little bit. I stalled there because I accidentally hit my parking brake, which is electronic. I was trying to hit the thing right next to it. So, but yeah, I hit electronic brakes. So, I'm letting Gary drive, which is never fun. I'm letting him drive the car, and every single time he does, he ruins the clutch. So here we are. There's the GT500. They look good together. Let me actually take a peek. Here we go.
I don't know what this is from, but that's not good.
Yikes.
This was not there before. Yeah, so in case you're wondering, this is our grandparents' car. This is our grandma's car. This is our grandpa's car. So yeah, that's why we have these. This is why we drive.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys. First takeoff. We're in sport mode. This is just like the good old days.
Yeah,
that
back
you
in
never saw what you saw a few of them.
Unreleased videos.
Yeah, there's
a lot of them.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
That used to be like the fastest thing ever. I mean, dude, it's fun though. It is. It's fun. Okay, guys, this is something that we used to do on our unreleased videos. Oh no, they were too far away.
Probably some of the fun.
Hopefully. We used to do this a ton on the unreleased videos. It was fun. Okay. Because it's just like, I don't know. It just is. I don't know why it's fun or funny, but it is. I see someone. Oh, there's some people.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again.
That's fun, dude. I love this car so much.
It's not like insanely fast, but it's fast enough to be fun. Well, yeah, it's kind of like the Audi, but
Yeah.
it's not broken.
And
So.
it's yeah, and it's not it's convertible or
And it's an automatic.
yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's, dude, I love this thing, and I love making videos on it.
Yeah, it's fun.
So there's a super cool display mode, sport display, and look, it shows the power and torque that you're applying. So this thing has 240 horsepower, or foot-pounds of torque. Yeah, and 200 horsepower.
I'm gonna floor it now and watch the sport display. So literally using all 200 horsepower.
That's awesome. This guy is going slow.
I'm gonna predict that this guy's going no more than 40 miles per hour. This is a normal occurrence here too.
Yes. I love filming and publicly shaming people for the speed they drive on the roads.
It's fun. So we are going to show you just how much this thing pops when you rev it. Come on. Not that time.
Why did it not pop the only time we record?
Come on, go. So here we go. This is the takeoff of the Mini Cooper S from an outside view. Thing sounds really good on takeoff.
You're gonna take a look at this engine here. I like how there's like these cutouts in the hood for the headlights. Anyways, look, it's very compact, so you can't really see much. So this is where obviously turbo piping and stuff. I don't know where the actual turbo head unit is, but yeah, this is gonna be so it's somewhere between the intake manifold and the air box. But yeah, it's really compact. So I'll start it up real quick. Did you just try to do a burnout?
No, I accidentally left the brake on.
Yeah, turn traction off. Bro, it didn't spin at all.
Pretty good.
Yes, fun.
Oh. This is what it would be like if you drove the exact recommended curve speeds. These are like made for like semis or something. I don't know why.
For overloaded dump trucks.
Yeah. Because they say like 30 and you could be going 45 easily.
My favorite radio station around here has died, so hold on.
It was 99.1 Cool FM. Now it's supposed to be 99.1 The Beat.
Yep.
So it's got like a mix of old and new songs, I guess.
Interesting.
There we go. That was like, I'm not gonna say how much that was, but that was pretty fast.
So, we're right here where the trailer used to be.
Yeah.
And you've seen the trailer once.
Then it was sold for an insanely low price.
Yeah,
But
because it was terrible and
Yeah.
disgusting.
but it's not here anymore. This is like where it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all that's left. And also you got the TT muffler there. You gotta do something about it.
Guys, we found it. Look. The Honda. Oh no, you can't even see. Yes. Honda Element with the brush guard. I wonder if he got the 4x4. Wonder where he takes this thing off-road on some sweet trails. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we got food again. Once again, we got McDonald's because
I'm gonna die.
Dude, it's not even cheap anymore. That's just how it's.
I'm actually gonna die.
Let's look. There's a Supra right there and the new BMW M2. But look, it's a Supra. Guys, it's a Supra. Oh. Look at the Supra though, guys. It's a Supra. Look, it's a Supra. Ready.
It's actually really good in the manual mode. It feels faster somehow.
So, something that I want to talk about right quick is pretty much, I mean, this is what the title of the video is. This car is so obviously so fun, but it is so ridiculously overpriced for what you get. Like, dude, so this thing brand new is around what, 45,000, I believe.
It's 45,000 MSRP, I think.
45,000 MSRP for a 4-cylinder front-wheel drive hatchback. I mean, that is ridiculous. Sure, it is so much fun, and I'm not denying that. Driving it is a blast, even though it's not the fastest thing in the world. It's still fast, but like, dude, $45,000, you can go out and buy yourself you can buy yourself a Camaro SS1LE, which is, dude, that thing is so fast around a track. Or you could buy yourself a Scat Pack Challenger or Charger for that price. All three of those manual, or I guess not the Charger, but the Challenger and Camaro, you can get manual V8 rear wheel drive cars that are actually like properly really fast. And then, or you can get a Mini Cooper. And if you're concerned about storage space, then first off, why'd you get a Mini Cooper? But if you want a 4-door, the Charger RT is literally, the MSRP is for like 30,000, or not 30, like 38,000. So it's a very, very fun and cool car. The interior is really nice. I love these cars, but they are way too expensive.
So, it's 3 months later. I have a question for you. For the video. Why didn't you record an outro?
Because I didn't feel, I don't know.
Is your official answer?
Yeah.
Okay, this applies to every single time we didn't record an outro. Because you didn't feel like it. Okay.